3 animal shelters tally the number of animals they rescued during 1 week. Use the table shown below to find the probability of each of the following. A, the probability that somebody had a dog or was in shelter 1. So I'm going to use my highlighter. So the probability that somebody is a dog is this row here. So the probability for a dog is 92 out of my total 270. Here's my total. Then they wanted to know the probability of shelter 1. So if I use my highlighter again, here's shelter 1. So the probability of shelter 1 is 71 out of 270. But if you notice, my highlighting crisscrossed at one spot. It crisscrossed at 20 because that is the number of dogs that were in shelter 1. So those dogs were counted 2 times. So that means I have to subtract that overlap of 20 over 270. And now I can type this in my calculator. Alpha y equals 92 over 270 plus 71 over 270 minus 20. Let me do it one more time. Hit the wrong button there. 91. What is it? 71. Oh, 92. Oops. Let me fix that. And then let me go back and fix that 91 should be a 92. Okay. So you of course can put it in your calculator like that. It will give you 143 out of 270, or you could type in just the numerators. It's up to you. So the probability that there was a dog or shelter 1 was 143 out of 270. So let me erase what I have up here so we can do part B with the same method of highlighting. So I want to know shelter 3 or a cat. So let's take a look at shelter 3. Here's shelter 3. So I have 89 out of 270 plus the cat. So if I go across this way, the cat probability is 150 out of 270. And then remember, you have to subtract this overlap, so minus 50 out of 270. So once again, I'll do this the short way in my calculator because my denominators are all the same. I'm going to do 89 plus 150 minus 50, looking at the numerators only. And I get 189. So the probability that the animal was in shelter 3 or a cat is 189 out of 270. So that's how you use a two-way table to do OR probabilities. You always have to subtract the overlap in OR.